lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say, hello! Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, hello. It's good to see you. I say hello. I'm happy that you came. I say hello. Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me your name. Hello, I'm Justin. Look. This is my shop. There's lots of food to buy at my shop. There's cheese. Cheese. There are some eggs. Eggs. And there's a pizza. Pizza. Lots of food to buy. Come to my shop. Come to my shop. There's food to buy when you come to my shop. Who's coming to my shop? Aha! Little Teddy's coming to my shop. Little Teddy's coming to Justin's shop. Little Teddy's coming to Justin's shop. Little Teddy's coming to Justin's shop. What's Teddy going to buy? Okay, Teddy, what would you like to buy from my shop? Oh, I see. Right. Well, little Teddy wants to buy some cheese. Oh, look. Cheese. You sign cheese. Look. Cheese. There we are, Teddy. Some lovely cheese for you. Thank you, little Teddy. Come to my shop. Come to my shop. There's food to buy when you come to my shop. I wonder who's coming to my shop. Monkey's coming to my shop. Monkey's coming to Justin's shop. Monkey's coming to Justin's shop. Monkey's coming to Justin's shop. What's Monkey going to buy? Right then, Monkey, what would you like from my shop? Oh, I see. Monkey wants to buy some eggs. Ah, look. Eggs. You sign eggs. Look. Eggs. Right. There we are, Monkey. Some fresh eggs just for you. Thank you, Monkey. Come to my shop. Come to my shop. There's food to buy when you come to my shop. I wonder who's coming to my shop. Dolly's coming to my shop. Dolly's coming to Justin's shop. Dolly's coming to Justin's shop. Dolly's coming to Justin's shop. What's Dolly going to buy? Well, Dolly, what would you like to buy from my shop? Oh, right. I see. Dolly wants to buy some pizza. Look. Pizza. You sign pizza. Look. Pizza. Well, look at that, Dolly. One fresh pizza just for you. Thank you, Dolly. And thank you, toys.
Hello.
Ah, look. My friend, Connor, went to buy food. Connor and his mum are at the market. Look, there's lots of fish to eat.
Red money, they call it goat fish. You know, like the goats got the beds.
Oh, yeah.
So they call it goat fish. It's a nice fish though.
What else is there to buy at the market?
How would you like fish? You want what colour apple? Which apple?
Connor is going to buy an apple from the fruit stall.
Yeah, we'll have one of those.
I wonder what other fruits there are.
What's he going to do?
There are coconuts, some oranges, and some pineapples.
You give the man the money.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
What else is there to buy at the market? Connor is going to buy some vegetables. Some potatoes.
3 potatoes, please. You get some carrots? What you can get?
Some carrots.
3 carrots, please.
And a leek.
Look at this again.
$1.15, please. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Time to go home and cook the vegetables for tea. Connor saw lots of different food. Ah, look, it's Mr. Tumble! Mr. Tumble! Mr. Tumble!
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Have you just woken up, Mr. Tumble?
Yes.
Well, you'll need to eat your breakfast.
Oh, yes. Look.
Wake up, Mr. Tumble. What's that, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, sugar.
Sugar, Mr. Tumble?
Yes, sugar.
You can't eat sugar for your breakfast.
Oh, wait.
Wake up, Mr. Tumble. What's that, Mr. Tumble?
Milk.
Milk, Mr. Tumble?
Yes, milk.
You can't eat sugar and milk for your breakfast.
Ah, wait.
Wake up, Mr. Tumble. What's that, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, cereal.
Cereal, Mr. Tumble?
Yes, cereal.
Oh, I see. you're going to have cereal, milk and sugar for your breakfast.
Yes!
Wake up, Mr Tumble! Wake up, Mr Tumble! Wake up, Mr Tumble! Oh dear. Bye-bye, Mr Tumble.
Bye-bye. Mr Tumble likes cereal for his breakfast. I like sausages for my breakfast. 10 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 10 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. And if one went pop and another went bang, there'll be 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 8 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. And if one went pop and another went bang, there'll be 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 6 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. And if one went pop and another went bang, there'll be 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 4 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. And if one went pop and another went bang, there'll be 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. 2 fat sausages sizzling in a pan. And if one went pop and the other went bang, there'll be no fat sausages sizzling in a pan. Oh no! No fat sausages for my breakfast. It's time to say goodbye. Lift your hand and hold it high. Give it a wave and say goodbye. Lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say hello. Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, hello. It's good to see you. I say hello. I'm happy that you came. I say hello. Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me your name. Hello, I'm Justin. Come and look at my garden. I like my garden. There's a tree, flowers, and grass. Take a look at my garden. What can we see? Lots of pretty flowers. And a tall, tall tree. And here on the ground, there's grass everywhere. Oh, and look, there goes a butterfly fluttering in the air. Look, garden. You sign garden. Look, garden. Look, flower. You sign flower. Look, flower. Oh, look, tree. You sign tree. Look, tree. Look, grass. You sign grass. Look, grass. Where do I most like to be? In my garden, when the sun is shining down on me. And in my garden I can see the flowers. Flowers of yellow and flowers of blue. And in my garden I can see the trees. Trees so tall and trees quite small. Where do I most like to be? In my garden, when the sun is shining down on me. And in my garden I can see the grass. Come with me and we can play on the grass. And in my garden I can see a butterfly. A butterfly. Come with me and you will see a butterfly. Where do I most like to be? In my garden, when the sun is shining down on me. Oh,
Plant the plants.
my friend Zoe likes the garden.
Daffodils. Come on then. You're going to take Megan. Try and hold your spade for you.
Zoe and Megan are going to plant a flower in their garden.
Go.
Over there.
Look, nice space right over here. About here. Is that a good space? What do we do first?
First, Zoe has to dig a hole in the earth for the flower.
Here, make one hole. Let's not dig up those parts. That's it, over there. Dig away the soil. Nice big hole. Good girl. Oh, what a lot of digging. Take it out the pot. You pull it gently, very gently. Good girl.
In the hole it goes.
Hold on. Now we have to, what do we have to do? Push the soil back in around it. Good girl. Good girl. Gently. Good girl. Well done. What do we have to do now, Zoe? Now we've put the plant in the ground. Water. Good girl.
Plenty of water to make the flower grow.
Well done.
Zoe likes her garden. Ah, look, it's Mr Tumble. I like Mr Tumble.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Are you going to paint a picture, Mr Tumble?
Yes.
What are you going to paint?
Flowers.
Flowers, Mr Tumble?
Yes, flowers.
Oh, good. I like flowers.
Ah.
Have you lost your brush, Mr Tumble?
Yes.
Oh dear, you can't paint a picture then.
Ah. Look, a red flower.
A pretty red flower, Mr Tumble.
Yes, a pretty red flower.
Paint another flower, Mr Tumble.
Oh, aha. Look, a yellow flower.
Ah, a pretty yellow flower.
Yes, a pretty yellow flower. And a pretty red flower.
Paint another flower, Mr Tumble, with a different colour.
Ah.
Oh, you've made orange, Mr Tumble.
Yes, orange. Look, an orange flower.
A pretty orange flower.
Yes, a pretty orange flower. And a pretty yellow flower. And a pretty red flower.
I think your flowers are beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye, Mr Tumble.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mr Tumble. Oh, look. These are my friends. And this is their garden. It's a very special garden. There are things to hear. There are things that are smooth and wet to touch. And things that are rough to touch. Does that feel rough, Luke? There are lots of things that you can see. And lots of different colours. And things that make you laugh. Jakob is enjoying this. Emily's making noises with her feet.
There's a dog. What noise does the dog make? Hey? Yeah, that's right.
There are things to smell. Zohar is smelling a daffodil.
That smells nice. That's it. Hold it, must smell it together. Ready? Megan's turn. Good breathing.
And Megan is smelling a herb called rosemary.
Nice. Is it nice? Ready? Steady. Go!
Whoa! There are things that go bumpty bump. And there are things that you can spin round and round, like Mardy's doing.
Oh, Mardy, good job.
Good girl.
Get bumpy!
Hey, can you feel those bumps?
Let's stop. Oh,
It's difficult, isn't it? That's it. Good girl. Well done.
Lots of different things in our garden. I like their garden. Do you? Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Lift your hand and hold it high. Give it a wave and say goodbye. Lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say hello. Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, hello. It's good to see you. I say hello. I'm happy that you came. I say hello. Please tell me. Please tell me. Please tell me your name. Hello, I'm Justin. Ah, listen. Roar, roar. Ha-ha. Jungle animals. Let's explore. As I walk through the jungle, I take a look around. Then suddenly I hear a very strange sound. It goes. I look a little closer, and what do I see? A fluffy brown monkey. Staring back at me. Hello, monkey! Roar, roar! As I walk through the jungle, I take a look around. Then suddenly, I hear a very strange sound. It goes roar, roar. I look a little closer, and what do I see? A roaring lion staring back at me. Hello, lion. Roar, roar. Look, more jungle animals. This is a monkey. It goes. This is a lion. It goes roar, roar. This is a snake. It goes sss. This is an elephant. It goes. And this is a crocodile. Look at all of its teeth. Ah, look. Monkey. You sign monkey. Look. Monkey. Ah, look. lion. You sign lion. Look, lion. Ah, look, elephant. You sign elephant. Look, elephant. Ah, look, snake. You sign snake. Look, snake. Ah, look, crocodile. You sign crocodile. Look, crocodile. Ah, look, here's my monkey. Come on, monkey, we're going on a jungle adventure. And why don't you come too? Down in the jungle where the green grass grows, I am the monkey and everybody knows. The monkey has fun, teasing everyone. The monkey has fun and then he runs, runs, runs. Oh, I am the monkey and I like to have fun. Come on then you, let's go. Down in the jungle where no one's ever been, there lives a lion and the lion is king. The lion is strong, the lion is free. Can the lion chase the monkey right up into the tree? Whoa! I am the monkey and you can't catch me. Whew, that was close. Whoa. Down in the jungle where the green grass grows, the elephant tramps with his long, long nose. The elephant's big, the elephant's wide. Can the elephant take the monkey by surprise? Whoa! I am the monkey and I'm just too wise. That was close. Whew. Come on, let's go. Down in the jungle where the river runs deep, there lies a crocodile. I hope he's asleep. The crocodile's hungry. The crocodile has teeth. When the crocodile snaps, the monkey leaps. Whoa! That was close. Where next, monkey? Here we go. Down in the jungle where no one's ever been, there lies a snake, long and green. The snake can slither, the snake can slide. The snake can climb trees where the monkey hides. Whoa! But the monkey swings to another tree, and another tree, and another tree. Whoa, whoa. I am the monkey and I'm just fine. I am the monkey and this is my sign. Whoa, that was fun. I like jungle animals. Oh, look, my friends went to see some animals at the zoo. This is Dylan. He's with his baby sister Erica and his mum. We went to the zoo to look around. My mum, baby Erica and me. To look at animals. Lots of animals. Now what's that I can see? Monkeys! Hello, monkey! Dylan likes the monkey. This monkey's hiding. And this monkey's having a good scratch. Let's go and see another animal. We went to the zoo to look around. My mum, baby Erica and me. To look at animals. Lots of animals. Now what's that I can see? Ah, this is a lion. This lion is a girl. So she's called a lioness. Dylan likes the lioness. Look, she's sniffing for food.
Oh, she's going down. They're sitting down.
Look at her long tongue and her long whiskers. Let's go and look at another animal. Bye-bye, lioness. We went to the zoo to look around. My mum, baby Erica and me. To look at animals, lots of animals. Now what's that I can see? It's a giraffe with its long neck. Hello, giraffe. Dylan likes the giraffe. The giraffes are hungry. They're eating leaves. Bye-bye, giraffe. Bye-bye, animals. I like the giraffe. Oh, I like Mr Tumble.
Hello, Mr Tumble.
Oh, hello. Ooh. Look, jungle animals.
Jungle animals, Mr Tumble.
Yes, look, jungle animals.
Look in the box, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes. Look, I'm a lion.
A lion, Mr Tumble.
Yes, a lion.
Can we all pretend to be lions, Mr Tumble?
Yes.
That was fun. Look in the box again.
Aha. Look, I'm an elephant.
An elephant, Mr Tumble.
Yes, an elephant.
Can we all pretend to be elephants, Mr Tumble?
Yes.
That was fun. Look in the box again, Mr Tumble.
Aha. Look, I'm a monkey.
A monkey, Mr Tumble.
Yes, a monkey.
Can we all pretend to be monkeys?
Yes.
Bye-bye, monkey. Mr Tumble.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble. I like those animals. Ah, it's time to say goodbye. Lift your hand and hold it high. Give it a wave and say goodbye.